So we have some sweets to try out.
And apparently I'm gonna eat them wrong. Right, okay.
They're gonna taste good.
Whoa, you might eat it right. Who knows?
Yeah, I was gonna say, now we're giving you the
I
hint.
don't get, you haven't given me any hints.
We're giving you a very clear hint.
Yeah.
Alright, okay. I don't even know. You said this was like milk flavor, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Don't know what that is. Oh, there's more of it. Is there more of it?
Here we have Kukiko trying out the rabbit sweet.
Is there like paper on it, or can I eat this?
I don't know, you can taste it if you want.
Why are you guys not telling me anything?
I'm sorry.
I'm really concerned. I don't want to eat this if there's like paper on it. Like, I'm just gonna risk it. No, I'm not. There's paper on it, isn't there? What the heck is this?
It's rice paper.
Can I eat that?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. Are you sure? It's really, I can't like chew it. It's really hard. I can't
Just
actually
suck
do
on
it.
it for a minute.
Yeah, soften it up. Soften it up.
Or that white rabbit.
This is like, oh my god, this is so weird. It doesn't taste bad. It just is really hard to chew. What? Are you like giving me a hint here?
Can I try it? Can I have one?
Yeah, go for it.
The green can demonstrate how you're supposed to eat it.
Please do. My teeth are sore. Do you need me to hold your phone?
I got this.
She got this.
I don't got this.
You don't need to hold your phone. I'm still working on it. Teach me your ways. Show me Zentai.
Put it all in your mouth.
Including the paper.
Go through the paper. Is that it?
Woo!
Okay, let's try this sausage thing now. I don't know what these are. They just told me to get them. Someone said it was sausage and then someone said it was a sweet and I've got absolutely no idea what I'm going to put in my mouth.
Let's say sausages, okay?
Chopped up meat.
How to get into the bloody packet. I can't actually open it. That's when you end up needing braces, kids.
What?
Okay. Oh wait, no, we don't want it. Made a hole. Not really happened. Here we go. Right. So,
Yeah, we got it.
okay, so it's like, is it little things? This isn't like one thing, is it? It's like a packet, like fruit pastels.
Kind of, yeah.
Okay.
But it's not fruit pastels.
Why are we watching the in-betweener and stuff? I don't know. Right, okay, so I can confirm this does indeed look like sausage meat.
Yeah, see, it looks like sausages.
It does. It looks like tiny bits of like salami or something. I don't know what, my brain does not know what this is going to taste like.
It's
I'm gonna
not
eat it.
sausages.
I've still got a bit of milk sweet in my mouth, hang on.
It's nice though.
Okay, cool.
Okay, no, I'm good. Alright, okay. I just like put it all.
Chunk,
Yeah.
chunk.
I thought you were saying choke for a second there. I was like, alright, Piyo. I have no idea what this tastes like.
Eat more.
It's not that nice.
What, really?
No.
You didn't like it? No. Oh.
Sorry.
Oh well, that's
Free to a good home, who wants them?
There's like loads of them left.
Yeah,
Me.
does not know.
Really? Oh,
He's not eating enough.
oh.
Definitely a white
I'm too
person.
white, I'm sorry. Okay, this one I think I will like though. I think I'll like Melon Soda.
Melon soda.
I feel like oh good lord. I feel like a bad weep. I've never had Melon Soda before. That stuff is disgusting.
Oh.
What is it meant to be? Strawberry?
Are you sure it's not
No.
just after the white rabbit sweet?
I don't think so, because that just tasted like milk.
Yeah, but like the change of palate might be like weird.
I don't know. It's like all stuck in my teeth. So I'm just still tasting it. Okay. Okay, yeah, this is good. This one's
Good, right?
this
Woo.
one's I'm liking this.
Good shit.
Okay, I'm good. I'm done.
Woohoo!
And now Pringles. The winner, the ultimate winner. of white girl snack competition is the prank call.
Salt and vinegar.
I'm gonna die when I go to Japan. I'm gonna lose so much weight because I can't eat any of the snacks there.
So this was Kukiko's food tasting.
Yay! I'm too white for this.